Click on the link below to get price. The Juki DDL-8700-H industrial straight-stitch sewing machine is designed to meet the demands of various sewing projects, particularly in industrial settings. Known for its efficiency and durability, this machine is particularly favored by those who require a reliable tool for heavy-duty sewing tasks. At first glance, the Juki DDL-8700-H presents a robust and professional aesthetic. It features a sturdy construction that is indicative of its industrial purpose, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. The inclusion of a KD table adds to its stability, providing a solid work surface that can accommodate larger projects. Coupled with a servo motor, this sewing machine offers controlled operation and reduced noise, making it a more pleasant choice for prolonged use. One of the primary features of the Juki DDL-8700-H is its straight-stitch mechanism, which is optimized for precision and speed. Capable of sewing at an impressive rate, it can handle a variety of materials ranging from lightweight fabrics to heavier textiles. This versatility is complemented by the machine's adjustable stitch length, allowing users to customize their sewing projects according to specific requirements. The servo motor, a notable component of this sewing machine, offers several advantages over traditional motors. It is designed to provide better energy efficiency, which can be particularly beneficial in industrial environments where machines are often in use for extended periods. Additionally, the servo motor enhances the user's control over sewing speed, making it easier to tackle intricate designs and detailed work without sacrificing accuracy. Using the Juki DDL-8700-H requires a certain level of familiarity with industrial sewing machines, as it is tailored towards users who may have some experience in this area. Setting it up involves the standard assembly of the machine and table, as well as threading the needle and bobbin properly. Once operational, users will appreciate the smooth feed and the consistent stitch quality that the Juki brand is known for. In summary, the Juki DDL-8700-H industrial straight-stitch sewing machine, complete with its KD table and servo motor, is a solid investment for those involved in serious sewing endeavors. Its combination of durability, efficiency, and precision makes it a suitable option for a range of sewing applications. Whether for commercial purposes or dedicated home use, this machine stands out as a reliable choice for sewing enthusiasts seeking performance and quality.